Hi, so it's time for us to learn about redux. What is redux and what we are gonna do with it? This is what we are gonna answer in this section. So the first thing first, I'm just gonna show you the final result that we are gonna build after we finish this section. So here's a quick demo about the application that we are going to build. It's not a complete application where we have all the features that we have explained previously, but at least we are going to show you the differences between redux and some other state management stuff. And also we will talk about what is state management in general. And also I'm going to show you the sensitive cases where you need to use redux. So we have a lot of time to talk about redux, but first of all, let's go ahead and show the final result. So as you can see, we have a navigation on the top and we have a search bar right here. We have a few products that show on our list. What I will do here, we have also React router. Right, we can see the ID and all kind of stuff. We can see the details for any course that we have it here on the screen. If I click back here on the home, we can go back to the list of our courses. And if I start searching for React courses, we can see the filtering is working as well. And also the interesting part here, we have also added the saved right here, the saved component. The saved component, essentially we are going to save some courses for watching later. All right, so this is really good functionality that we have to add, which is to add the watch later. You can call it saved for later or check out later, whatever. So we are going to add this functionality. You can see here first of all the notification, or not the notification, this counter right here on top of the saved word. And if I click here on this mark or this sign right here, I'm gonna mark it as a saved course. First of all, if I click on it, we can see we got different icon right here, different color, and we can see the number got changed. And if I click on this one and this one, we can see I have added these three courses to the list. They are saved now. However, if I click it once again, we can see the icon got changed as well as the counter being dropped down to 2. So this is really cool. And if I click on saved, we can see the two courses that we have saved for watch later. You can see if I go back and add more, let me go back to home, and I'm just gonna add another one and so on. So we can go back. And by the way, if I click on it to show the details, we can see here it's also added. So we are keeping the data saved in our let's say in our application from different places, not only from one single component. So here inside the course details, we can see it is saved. This course is saved, but if I unsave it, we can see it is changed right here, as well as in the saved component, as well as in the home component. We can see it's no longer saved. So this is really good functionality. We are going to keep the data in our application in sync. Okay, so if we change it, it's going to be changed in all other places that is needed. However, if I click on saved, we can see all these saved courses, and I can delete all of these. And if we delete all of them, we can see it says you don't have or you didn't save any courses yet, whatever. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's a good example. It's not a basic at all. It is a good example that we are gonna learn redux through it. Don't worry, we are gonna add more functionalities. We are gonna add a lot of stuff in the next few videos. For the time being, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it like this. Hopefully that makes sense. So if you are ready and if you are curious how I built that, let's get started.